Arduino project channel. In this video, we are going to see how to solder the components. Here, we are going to see about through-hole components. Here, I am having general purpose board and a knife and soldering lead, paste, soldering gun, etc. So now here now I'm just scrapping the general purpose board because to clean the rust and the oxidation on the copper side. I'm using flux and soldering lead. Now applying flux in the resistor terminal. I'm scraping also the terminal of the resistor. Now I am applying the flux in the terminal of the resistor. So in general purpose board, one side is plastic and another side is copper. So we have to place the components in the plastic side and solder in the copper side. Now I am placing one resistor in the general purpose board. I am placing another resistor in series connection. So these two resistors are connected in the series. So I placed two resistors in series connection. Now I am going to solder the two resistors. So this is the bottom portion of the general purpose board. I have taken the soldering lead and applying small amount of flux in the board also. That is in where I am going to solder. I am applying a small amount of flux. Now I have soldered taken the soldering lead in the soldering iron, melted it, and now I have soldered the two resistor. I am soldering one end. Now I have soldered the one end of the resistor. I have soldered the second end of the resistor, and now third point. So while you are soldering, the soldered point should not be touch other point. So I have soldered the three points of the resistor. Now I am cutting the remaining part of that is a extended terminal of the resistor. Now I cut the extended part of the terminal. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel.